So this is just going to show off a few of my Zippos that I've got. Seen a few videos and I thought, well, I've got a fair few now, so I'll show off a few. So most of these were bought reasonably recently. I've had a few old from in the past, but these ones have most of these have just came up recently because I like the idea of them, and I thought, well, get a few more. So in front right now I've got the Union Jack and a rock and roll one. So 2015 J. Proper Zippo clip there. The same on this one. So there them. Got a nice Tiger one. Again. There we go. 2005. Just some filigree on this one. 2015 D. Really nice sound on this one. Yeah. 80th anniversary. So it's 1932 to 2000 and... So you're seeing this the same way as I am. 2012. Again, nice sound to it. Old brass Marlboro, USA, 1996. This is one of the ones that have been used. There's a bit that being older as well. Brass. Another brass one. Some hieroglyphics on it. 2019. I want to get a brass insert for this one. So, my last brass one. No, it's not my last brass one. But, you know, 2015 again. This does have the brass insert, which looks really good in there actually. And the last brass one I'm going to show again in a few minutes because it's to do with dragons, and I've got about 3 with dragons on it. So this is the D-Day Normandy, June 6th, 1944. It's got all the beach and where each country landed. Green. All these have got the flints out, by the way, so. And 2015. Well, the military one. So, if you want to pause the video and you can read that yourselves. It's 2016. Quite nice, that actually. It's very textured on the feel to it. So all you Zippo guys out there probably know what it actually is. But as I say, I've not long started getting into them, so yeah. So you can tell me in the comments what you think and what they are. Another nice textured one is this. Where's the fireball? K of 2018. 1969 for the moon landings. K15. So one of my favourite bands here. It's the only Iron Maiden one I've got for now. I hopefully will get more. But Matt Black, Iron Maiden, 2019. Book of Souls album, which I actually went to see. Went to see the tour in Liverpool. Thoroughly enjoyed the show. And really need to get more Iron Maiden ones. But I love the Matt Black. I've actually got a few Matt Black Zippos in general. So I've got this. Jacks are better. Jack Daniels logo down there. And on the back, there's Jack Daniels Tennessee Whiskey. This is an interesting lighter because when I got it, I didn't know whether it was a real Zippo or whether somebody had made it up or something. But the bottom, you can see it does have the Zippo logo on there. There we go in the light. It's scratched. And the insert is the same. But this is, from what I remember, it's a 1997 Zippo. Which, for me, so paid a little bit more for this than I wanted, but actually it's quite a nice Zippo. And when you're actually in proper light, you can see the dates on the bottom just. But yeah, I don't know why that's been covered, but I've seen it on a few Zippos now, so. Yeah, that's one of my favourites actually. Got this one not too long ago. Literally about a week ago I think this came. Matt Black, Zippo 500 million. Oh, this one's still got the flint in it. I need to take that out. Shows how new it is. 2016 G. And yeah, nice one, that one. This is the only one that I really do use. I use this for just lighting candles and other things. As some of you know, I'm actually a guitarist, so the Fender, obviously I use Fender a lot, and it's a bit black in there, a bit used. I've actually had this since brand new, so 2013 I got this. This was one of the real old ones, and I've actually used it all the way through, so I've not even needed to change to another Zippo. I just like the other ones, so I've bought them. So yeah, it's one of my favourites. You know, I don't know if there's fuel in it actually at the minute. No, probably dried up. But yeah, use that one more than, well, it's the only one that I officially use. But yeah. So over here, most people have seen this one. The bullet hole, loads, very common. 2014 B. That's the February. There's a little problem on this as well. It doesn't click for some reason, and I have no idea why. And I have tried to put in other inserts in it, but it's not the insert. As you can hear, just slides open. Yeah. There's that one. Actually, my wife owns 2 Zippos as well now. Since I started getting a few more, she bought these 2 for herself. And 2006, yeah, 2006 and 2019. Very nice click on these. Don't know whether she's going to use them or not, but hey. So yeah, Probably won't appreciate me dropping them every now and again. Now, I have a few specific ones that I do enjoy using. Well, in my collection I really enjoy them. I'm a big fan of Jack Daniel's whiskey. Now, that's where these three come in. Now, I know I have that other one before, but these ones are my chrome ones. And Jack Daniel's original number 7 logo. Just need to get all the sticky stuff off the back. 2002. Lovely sound to that. Not much really I can say about them other than I'm a big fan of Jack Daniel's whiskey, so having the Jack Daniel's Zippos just a must really, because they're actually kept in the same cabinet. So there's one. This one again, I actually had a bidding war to buy this one. There was somebody else who was really after this, and I ended up paying, I think it was £21, free postage and packaging, which is great. It's not too bad per se. Most of my Zippos I don't pay more than £20, but some of them you do go a little bit higher. This is the one Jack Daniel's one I'm really proud of. I bought this, again, brand new, in 2015, actually as a present for my father-in-law, and he passed away about 2 years ago now, and it came back to me, and he used to use it every now and again, and obviously it came back to me, and I will always treasure this one. The wife would beat me up if I ever tried to get rid of it anyway, so that would always be with me. I love that one. After Jack Daniel's, I'm actually a big fan of The Italian Job, the film, years ago, so I actually bought a red, white and blue, and I actually have the miniature models of the cars, so it only seemed fitting to have a red, white and blue matte Zippo. I don't even know what years these are. 2018, 2018, and 2019. So yeah, these three. I literally only wanted matte blue, white, and red. I might try and get brass inserts for these ones as well. Quite nice. So yeah. Moving on, I have two naughty ones. So yes. Well, what can you say? She's bondaged, and she's showing a bit more skin than she needs to. But yeah, the heavy front metal you can see on the front there. I don't know whether Zippo actually did that or whether someone's added them on, but the lighter itself is genuine Zippo. Same with this one. But, with that as well, you also get a tattoo on the back of that, and this razors. Yeah, these probably never get lit. These are just something I like the idea of, and they came through. I also have one more, not quite a dirty one, but it's a nice little bondage one style. It's actually a nice purple. I don't know whether you call this the Abyss, or, well, I just like it as purple. That'll get with the girl on there, fingers to her lips. Zippo 2013. The lighting in here is not the best, so apologies for that. This is just a rough video. I'll probably do a better video later on, explaining each one properly. If there is one in particular that you want to see a close-up of, please let me know. But lastly, I have my 3 dragon ones. So that's these 3. This one, I actually bought this as just, I put a bid on it, and it actually won at £9.50. So it's quite a cheap one per se. But nobody else bid on it, so I ended up winning that. 2019 E. It's a nice coloration on it. Simple. I like the dragon on that. This one, paid £30 for. Actually not bad at all. With the samurai sword on there. Or katana. As I'll probably get slandered for if I don't say that properly. It's yeah. Brass. 2019. The brass insert in this one's quite nice. Again, I actually didn't pay much for that one. This one, you do have to pay a bit more for. The candy apple red. It's the only candy apple red one I've got, and it's the last Zippo I've got here. And candy apple red with the dragon on it. Zippo logo, 2019 E. There you go. I'll probably do a more in-depth video later on, showing you exactly what I've got, why I've got it. But just for now, just to get a video out there, because I haven't done a video in a long time, thought I'd get these up. So there you go, the Zippo Collection.